Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you attacking cover 1 tutorial. In the beginning, let's go to Skill Trainer and now go to attacking coverages. Select attacking cover 1.
Here we go.
And now, cover 1 is a man-to-man defense where the defensive backs match up against an offensive player. You can recognize cover 1 by finding that one safety in the deep middle of the field. The two cornerbacks will also be aligned around 7 to 8 yards off the line of the scrimmage. Crossing routes and similar types routes that call for receivers to run across the field are good options against cover 1. Run the crossing routes and pass to the primary receiver with A to beat cover 1.
Here we go. Gun. Shot. Shot. Here we go. Shot. On one, ready? Shot.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.